subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under Desire series called HTC Desire 20 Pro. And recently, a popular leakster event Blast has shared the live images of the upcoming phone that reveals the front and back look of the smartphone. According to leak image, the HTC Desire 20 Pro looks to have a flat screen with a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera. The rear panel appears to be textured finish that carries a vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner, along with the dual LED flash which is placed beside the camera setup, and it also has a centrally aligned fingerprint sensor for authentication. Apart from this, the earlier leak suggests the phone to support a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, and it will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 or 665 chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM, and the smartphone is also expected to run on Android 10 out of the box. Now talking about the release date. The HTC Desire 20 Pro is reported to launch on June 16th. So as of now, that's all we know about the HTC Desire 20 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.